Now, we have continued to raise the bar in the space of AI-powered data management. In 2017, we introduced Claire, our AI engine for the intelligent data platform. In 2018, our enterprise metadata management platform came of age with a modern enterprise data catalog and an industry-leading data governance solution, which was Informatica Axon. In 2019, we activated this metadata that we had collected by using it to provide intelligent recommendations and predictions in context of the data management task that the user was working on. And today, I'm going to unveil our vision for the enterprise metadata knowledge graph, a cloud-first, cloud-native metadata repository that provides the ability to see all of the metadata objects and their relationship in key detail. This will help provide enhanced metadata intelligence to the entire platform. Our vision for Claire is to be the brain of the entire data stack, to provide intelligence, in-context automation for data management. At core of this brain is the metadata kernel, our cloud-native metadata as an operating system. This kernel is responsible for modeling, collecting, and relating metadata for all of the organization's data assets, wherever they reside, in the cloud, on-premise, anywhere. Claire then activates this metadata by using services like Discovery and the metadata knowledge graph. The kernel is responsible for extracting and collecting all metadata from the enterprise. It has the metadata scanners that crawl the enterprise landscape from legacy systems to cloud to extract metadata from all enterprise data assets. It is responsible for securely storing this metadata in a cloud-native metadata repository. It includes a searchable store of metadata and APIs that allow Informatica and non-Informatica applications to access the collected metadata. Most metadata today continues to be siloed within departments. However, every bit of metadata captured exponentially increases metadata intelligence because it can now be related to other metadata assets. This helps with automating tasks within data catalog and data governance, also with other data management jobs like data quality. Managing this metadata across the enterprise is such a daunting task that most organizations don't even aspire to such a goal. Most organizations today are at the department level metadata repositories and at best moving towards integrating metadata from a few other departments. An enterprise level metadata knowledge graph is still distant for many organizations. With our cloud-first, cloud-native metadata repository, this can now be in reach for all the organizations in two ways. Number one, it will be on the cloud, so it will be easier to set up and deploy, allowing users to start their metadata management journey within a few minutes. And number two, by using AI and ML, it will help create this metadata knowledge graph ground up, inferring relationships where those have not been documented also. This approach makes the metadata knowledge graph more agile, as it is a data model on read, just like schema on read, rather than imposed as a data model during development. And second, it captures many more relationships than a data model, like finding users that share the same data interests across the organization, a concept called the data social graph. The metadata knowledge graph enables activation of metadata by storing this data in innovative formats ready for deriving metadata intelligence.